Good morning, physics students. This is an amazing demonstration. We're going to learn about heat exchange, again, talking about the different rate at which heat transfers. So here I have, for you to think about, this is a block of metal. It's black. That's important for heat conduction and so forth. This is just a kind of heavy black piece of metal. And this is an identical piece, also black, same size, same shape, but it's made of wood. So we have a light one and a heavy one, piece of metal, piece of wood, but two black squares. So what I'm going to do is take the identical ones. I tried to get as identical as possible. Two identical pieces of ice, and I'm going to place them on these black surfaces. Putting them on my countertop. This is room temperature, because, it's the room. And this is room temperature. And this is room temperature because they're in the room. So they're all the same temperature. I'm going to take ice cubes and I'm going to put them on the squares. And then I'm just going to time how long it takes them to melt. And what I want you to tell me, what you want you to predict, are they going to melt at the same rate, or is one of them going to melt faster than the other? We have wood, we have metal, and we have at the same rate. So what I'd like you to tell me is which one's going to melt first. Think about that for a minute. Which one's going to melt first, the wood or the metal? Or are they both going to melt at the same rate? All right, so here's our little demonstration. I'm going to take two pieces of ice, place them almost identical times. There's my piece of wood. Here's my, oh, wow, did you see that? Here's my piece of metal. Look at that. I'm going to have to put a ring around this one so that it stays on it. That's the winner. The metal one is going to melt much, much faster. The question is, why? So, I'd like you to comment back in the Google Classroom. They are both room temperature. This is the same temperature as this, same temperature as the counter, but for some reason, this ice cube melts faster. It is the same temperature, same size ice. It has nothing to do with that. It has something to do with the type of material. Tell me why and how the metal is melting that ice so much faster. That's what you should answer in the comments.